Imagine waking up every morning to flawless, glowing skin. No makeup, no filters, just the natural beauty of your skin looking as healthy as it did in your youth. It sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But what if I told you that achieving this is not only possible, but it's rooted in one of the most profound biological processes within your own body? The answer lies in a powerful concept that has taken the wellness world by storm: intermittent fasting. But this isn't just about weight loss, energy, or metabolism. Today, we're diving deep into how this ancient practice can completely transform your skin health from the inside out. Before we go deeper, let's take a step back in time. Our ancestors didn't have skincare routines, serums, or dermatologist visits. Their skin health was a product of their survival mechanisms, their body's innate ability to heal, repair, and adapt. In the wild, food wasn't always abundant. There were days of feasting and days of fasting. It was during these fasting periods that the human body, including the skin, underwent powerful transformations. In today's world, where food is constantly available, our bodies have lost touch with these natural cycles. We're constantly eating, constantly snacking, and constantly dealing with the consequences of metabolic imbalance, including unhealthy skin. But through intermittent fasting, we can bring back these ancient healing mechanisms and harness the natural powers our bodies were designed to use. So let's dive into the science behind how fasting can bring about this change and why it's the key to unlocking your skin's health potential. Before we get into how fasting can improve your skin, we first need to understand the physiological effects that occur when you stop eating for an extended period. Intermittent fasting isn't about starving your body, it's about creating windows of time where your body can focus on repair rather than digestion. When you eat, your body is in what's known as the fed state, a phase where insulin levels are high and your body is focused on processing and storing the food you've consumed. Insulin is a hormone that helps regulate blood sugar levels, but when insulin remains elevated for prolonged periods, it can lead to a number of metabolic issues, including increased fat storage, inflammation, and even accelerated aging of the skin. Fasting, on the other hand, triggers a shift into what's called the fasting state. During this time, your insulin levels drop, signaling your body to tap into stored fat for energy. This process, known as lipolysis, not only helps with fat burning, but also stimulates a host of repair processes at the cellular level. This shift in hormonal balance has profound effects on the skin. In fact, the changes in insulin levels, fat burning, and cellular repair are key to understanding why intermittent fasting has such a transformative impact on your skin health. Let's start by addressing one of the most persistent issues when it comes to skin health: aging. We all want to fight the clock to preserve that youthful glow, but many of us don't realize how much of the damage to our skin is caused by our modern lifestyle, especially the foods we eat. High insulin levels, typically triggered by a diet rich in processed foods and sugars, lead to a cascade of inflammatory responses in the body. This chronic inflammation breaks down the collagen and elastin fibers in the skin, the very components responsible for keeping your skin firm, smooth, and youthful. Additionally, this prolonged insulin exposure leads to the accumulation of something called advanced glycation end products, AGEs, which are harmful compounds that form when sugar molecules bond with proteins. These AGEs can significantly damage collagen and elastin, leading to premature wrinkling, sagging, and overall skin dullness. Intermittent fasting, however, offers a solution. When you reduce the frequency of eating and allow insulin levels to drop, you're essentially giving your body a chance to reset. The body stops storing fat and shifts its focus from storing energy to repairing cellular damage. This includes reversing some of the damage done to the skin's foundational structures like collagen and elastin. By promoting fat burning and reducing inflammation, fasting helps preserve the integrity of the skin and prevents the rapid degradation that typically occurs in the aging process. But that's not all. One of the most exciting discoveries in the world of metabolic health is the process of autophagy, a cellular cleanup system that gets activated during fasting. This is where the true magic happens, not just for your skin, but for every cell in your body. Autophagy is the process by which your cells break down and remove damaged components, such as dysfunctional proteins or worn-out organelles. This is a form of self-healing, allowing your body to regenerate and repair at a deeper level. When you fast, your body enters a state where autophagy is activated. This means your skin cells are working overtime to repair themselves. Old, damaged skin cells are broken down and replaced with fresh, healthy ones. This leads to smoother, more vibrant skin with reduced signs of aging, including wrinkles, fine lines, and hyperpigmentation. This is one of the main reasons why people who practice intermittent fasting often report clearer, more youthful skin. It's not just about burning fat, it's about allowing your body to go into repair mode, deeply healing and rejuvenating your skin from the inside out. The process of fat burning that occurs during intermittent fasting is not just about trimming your waistline. It has direct benefits for your skin too. When insulin levels are low and your body is in a state of fat burning, it increases the production of growth hormones like human growth hormone, HGH. HGH plays a crucial role in skin health as it promotes the regeneration of skin cells and the production of collagen. Additionally, fasting promotes balanced levels of cortisol, a hormone that is released during stress. Chronically high cortisol levels can lead to skin issues such as acne, thinning, and wrinkles. By regulating cortisol through fasting, your body can reduce the inflammatory response that leads to these skin problems. Furthermore, fasting helps balance other hormones, such as insulin and leptin, both of which are involved in regulating metabolism and fat storage. Balanced hormones are crucial not only for overall health, but for maintaining optimal skin function. As we dive deeper into the connection between metabolic health and skin health, it's important to consider the role of the brain. The brain and skin are more connected than you might think. When you fast, your body enters a state that boosts brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that supports brain health, cognitive function, and even mood regulation. Interestingly, BDNF also has positive effects on skin health by promoting skin cell growth and wound healing. Moreover, fasting enhances the brain's ability to deal with stress, which, as we've already discussed, is directly tied to skin health. When your mind is calm, your skin reflects that sense of peace and balance. The reduction in stress levels can help reduce skin conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis, which are often triggered by stress-induced inflammation. So, while intermittent fasting might be known for its impact on metabolism and weight loss, it also holds the key to enhancing both brain function and skin health, creating a symbiotic relationship that leads to an overall better quality of life. Now that we've explored the science, it's clear that intermittent fasting isn't just about eating less. It's about giving your body the time and space it needs to heal, repair, and restore itself. From reducing inflammation and insulin resistance to activating autophagy and balancing hormones, fasting taps into the body's innate healing powers, which were once essential to our survival. But it's not just about the physical processes happening in your cells. There's also a psychological aspect to fasting. As you take control of your eating patterns, you start to see a transformation not just in your body, but in your self-esteem. You are reconnecting with the rhythms of nature, with the wisdom of your biology, and with the deep inner healing that is always available to you. This is the true power of intermittent fasting, a journey of self-restoration that touches not just your skin, but every part of your being. If you've learned anything from this journey today, it's that your skin's health is far more than just a matter of what you put on your face. It's a reflection of the delicate balance happening inside your body. Intermittent fasting isn't just a trend, it's a powerful tool to unlock your skin's natural beauty. Now that you know how fasting can enhance your skin health, it's time to take action. Like and subscribe to stay updated with more life-changing tips. And if you're ready to dive deeper into transforming your health, check out the link to the ebook below. It's time to take control of your metabolic health and unlock your skin's full potential. Your body is capable of incredible things. It's time to let it show.